Hello friends, this is Bappa, your Excel friend. Welcome to another video tutorial of Microsoft Excel. Today we will discuss about the backstage view. Actually, in our previous video we discussed that this is the backstage view. Actually, those are the information author who has written it, who created this, and when modified. Say last modified this and created. Actually, this file I have created today, so that's why this information is coming. And some cases, actually, I'm not sure. Some cases all the informations are true or not. I never checked it actually, so you can check it. And yeah, there's a protection option in inspect workbook, manage workbook. There are so many options. If I discuss them, then I think it will take so many days. So I will give you primary idea, then you can check new. I already discussed open, so save as, print, share. You can share your workbook. Later on we will discuss it. You can export the document in any other formats. Then you can publish this account. There is some account information. Actually, if you have the account in Microsoft Office, actually in many of us, we are using the actually we are not using original version of Microsoft Office. Okay, forget it. Now going to option, there are so many tips: general, formula, proving, save, language. Actually, if I discuss all of them, it will take huge time, but it is not possible to me to discuss. And I think you will become bored because you will not understand all of the topics. Then you will become bored, and the tutorial will my effort, what is my aim, to to share my knowledge with you. Then if you are feeling boring, then you will never watch my videos. Okay, but I will discuss some points over here. Customize ribbon. Actually, this is okay, we will discuss it any other time. Okay, we will go for the advanced. See, after pressing from beginning till, I will not discuss every point. After pressing enter, move the selection direction where down, right, up, and left. Actually, now down is default selected. If I press, okay, if I make it right or up, see what happens. This cell is selected. If I press enter, see it has gone up because I have changed the default selection. Now if you select it left, what happens? It gone left. So you can control it. If you are working, if you need, you can control it. Okay, but I will make it down. Okay, I will deselect it. What happens now? I pressed it several times, but it is not going anywhere because I disabled this command. So I'm just enabling this. Automatically insert 2 decimal point. What is it? See, that means if you press anything, it will consider that this is the second decimal point value. If you enter 12, then after decimal point, if you press 1, then it is considering that actually you are just entering 1 cent, not $1. If you need to enter $1, you have to press 1 or 00, then it is considering 1. But if you, as I have selected default programming, 2 decimal point, but this is not standard, that's why I will deselect it. But if your working pattern is like this and you were calculating cents by cents and every time, in that case you can follow this. So there are so many uh, features and so many options that there. I will recommend you to check every pump. If you want to be expert in Microsoft Excel, I think I will recommend to check all of them. And if you are not checking, in some cases, if you face any problem and are searching into the internet, then you will get those solution. But if you check and primarily, then you will have the primary knowledge. Okay, now okay, show is zeros in cell that value that have zero value. Actually, it is showing that if any cell have zero value, zero is there and value is zero also. Value also zero. Suppose 10, uh, value is 10, but there is a zero. It is not showing that. It is not meaning that zero is there and value is zero. In that case, whether you will show or not, that is up to you. I will not show it. In that case, what happens? Suppose Actually, the thing is every what I have changed it. This is for that particular sheet. Now for this sheet, I have disabled it. Actually, there's a calculation from here to here. I have uh, I I subtracting from A4 to B4. Result is 0. 10 to 10 result is 0. 9 to 9 result is 0. But 10 to 3 result is 7. That's why it is showing. Then if I enable again, advance, if I enable the 0 show, it is showing here. Okay. And you can check by default username is Bappa, because my name is Bappa and my computer name is also default Bappa. That's why it is showing. Okay, advance, I'm going to bottom, and okay, custom list, which we already discussed in our previous video. Then so I will recommend, actually, if I discuss all of those points, it will take huge time. So this is my request to you, all of you, please check them. Microsoft Excel menu key, transaction formula evaluation. I think if you check them, then you will get some more knowledge. So until the next video, your friend would like to say you goodbye.